Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. So today we are going to be showing you 5 cool Hot Wheel cars. And sorry, we had told you in the last video about the Roger Dodger we showed you, but unfortunately we could not show you about the Roger Dodger. So today we are back with another video and we got a good car like the Roger Dodger. Actually it's way better than the Roger Dodger. It's called the Two Timer. We'll show that to you in a minute. As you all can see this car, this is a Two Timer. This car has got very cool suspension and you can see this back thingy of this. I don't know what you call it. Please email it to dudecool3010. So and write our video's name down below. This thing. So like this is for the car. It's got a very high. It's got an engine. It looks so fast. I think it seems I was going to throw fire out of its these like areas, and you can just have a good look around here. But they have written taxi out there. I don't like that. On my best car in my whole set, this taxi written over there. I really don't like that taxi written. I wish I could customize it and remove that. So let me show you all the back. It's got turbo nitro boosters. Wait, I will get a bit proper. Let me edit it a bit properly. You can see turbo nitro boosters. That is cool, right? It shoots fire out of it at damn speed. Now, this is our car. Let's move on to the next car. This car's name is the Hudson Hornet. Now, it might really not be like whatever of cars and all, but it's really cool. It's super cool. You're not seeing it inside some different ways, so it's coming a bit of a problem. So it's even written out there, Hudson Hornet. Wait, let me make it a bit more clear. Wait, guys. Yeah, you can see the Hudson Hornet is written over there. Hot Wheels. There's a driver. I've got this deal of this car more because I just love it, so I use it a lot. I even searched about it on Wikipedia and all. There was a driver named D. Watson who used to drive this car. The car's number is 28. This car is very cool and I know lots about it. That's why I put this in my video. So it's the back of it. There's really like a kind of racing car which you put on a racetrack. It's like an old-fashioned drift car. That's what I like of it. It's like a dirt bike, but in a car version, like a car drifter, like that. You can see on the side Hudson Hornet written clearly, number 28. If you all see closely, you all can even see the driver's name, D. Watson. D. Watson written on it because this car was made for D. Watson only for his race in 1964. I know I've got too much information on this, but let's just move on to the next car now. This car's name is Diesel Boy. It's got like fire thingies coming out of here. Like if you all would see inside our channel, we have even got a video on Hot Wheels ID. And that they'll clearly show a car which is coming after this. So that car's even inside the game of Hot Wheels Race Off. So let's just continue with Diesel Boy. After that I'm going to give you a small explanation on that. So let's go for this is the Diesel Boy. See around it. You can see its tires and wheels and everything. Look at his back thing. Hot Wheels Mail. See, that was like a postcard. But it's just unbelievable. Such a cool postcard. I would be doomed if it were real. I would be just so happy if these were real. Like, it would be just so cool. Let's move on to the next car. Or let me tell you the explanation about Hot Wheels, the Race Off game. So what I was telling is that the Hot Wheels game is available on App Store and Play Store. Its name is Hot Wheels Race Off. You can even download it on your smart TVs. But over there you all may not get the car in Two Timer, which I had showed you all the first car. You might not get that car. But after this you're getting the car. You're going to get that. Its name is the Bone Shaker, and after that you're getting another car named the Rickstorm. You're even going to get that on your smart TVs, Android or iOS devices. So let's move on to the next car. As you all can see, this is the bone shaker. I told you all before inside the explanation. You can see, can you all see this cool thingy of its skull? I just love it. Seems like it can even go back very fast because it's got boosters over here and here. In the front, right next to the right and left of the skull. And look at the speed. It's going to be super fast. It's like a truck which carries goods and all of that. It's got this back area where you can see. But it's not. It's a sports car. It's a sports car. Not a supercar. It's a sports car. It's very fast because I got this on board of the sides. You can see. And it even throws smoke up. So guess how fire up. So guess how fast it will be. It doesn't have any boosters as something. And you can even see this. It's like an open roofed car. A cool open roofed car. You can see a skull on over there also. Okay, so this. Let's move on to the next car. This car is also there inside the official game of Hot Wheels Race Off. I told you all this before also, before the Bone Shaker. Its name is Rick Storm. This car is very cool and inside the Hot Wheels Race Off game. It can do very big heights. It can jump very long. So, it's even got these upper thingies which increases its speed. This is like very cool. It's better than the Bone Shaker also. Let me show you it around. So guys, it's even got the upper thingy which is very fast. And now you can see around it. You can see around it, right? The wheels match a bit with the 2-timer. It's cool. And so you got number 8 written out there, up in there. You can see. Wait, let me get to you. And so you got back suspension. Let me show you clearly. Wait, I get proper. Wait a minute. Let me edit it a bit properly. Let it come. Guys, this is the best I could do. So you can see that. I can bring it closer for you all. Back suspension. Very fast and good. Now, these were all the cars. Let me line up the cars inside one row and then I'll show it to you all, the final output, and then we'll end the video. So guys, these are all the 5 cars which we showed inside this video. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. And stay tuned for more new videos. Bye guys.